Hello, my name is Emma Bragdon, and I'm the Executive Director of Integrative Mental Health University. I've been working around spiritual emergency as a topic for the last 40 years, and I'm aware that there are young people, many young people today, who are born with extraordinary sensitivities, and they need psych education about how to manage their sensitivities as well as extreme states that might result as a product of their sensitivities. So I've invited Janice Whitlock to collaborate with me on a course, and we're very excited about launching this course. Janice, what would you like to say?
Hi, everybody. My name is Janice Whitlock. I've spent 25 years at Cornell University as a developmental psychologist, studying largely youth development and well-being, especially with a focus on self-injury and suicide prevention, as well as connectedness and resilience. But there's always been another thread to my work, one exploring what happens when the inner world becomes so intense it feels like we're going to come apart, which is something that I find is really common in the youth that I work with. What I've learned is that extreme states aren't just problems to solve, but they're invitations to transformation. And so that is what I'm dedicating my life to at this point. I want to help all of us learn how to work with the skills and gifts that we have, even when they feel completely overwhelming. So I'm really excited to explore this with Emma and with you all.